Hello friends, in this video I will teach you that how to change simple Android phone into iPhone, another new model Android phone, so watch full video. To change phone into iPhone, download an application X Launcher Lite from Play Store and then open that application and then see the magic. You can see on the screen that I have changed my simple Android phone into iPhone, so if you want to change your simple Android phone into iPhone, so hurry up and download this X Launcher Lite application from Play Store. There are so many themes of different Android phones in this application. To use themes of different Android phones, simply download them. In this application there is a theme of Samsung Galaxy J7. There is no need to buy expensive Android phones, simply download an application X Launcher Lite from Play Store and then download the mobile phone themes to get the experience of expensive Android phones. And another feature of X Launcher Lite application is that there are so many 4K Ultra HD wallpapers in it. So I hope you like this application, and if you like this application, so like this video and share it with your friends.